Hey everyone! We've got some exciting updates and fixes for you. We've tested with PHP 8.3. The plugin is now tested with PHP 8.3, but we recommend using an earlier version for now. If you're using URLs and PDFs, make sure PHP 8.3-curl and PHP 8.3-imagic are installed. We've added a new date picker feature. Now, you can set a start and end time for tickets, and customers can choose their preferred day in the cart. We've made it easier to exclude specific days. You can now prevent certain days from being selected at the product level. We've improved error messages. New labels ensure better clarity in the cart when using the date picker. We've enhanced order emails. Ticket details like value, name, and chosen day now appear in order emails. We've fixed the Dropdown label issue. Dropdown selections now display correctly in the cart. We've updated the default ticket template. The selected date now correctly appears on the ticket for date picker products. That's it for today. See you in the next video.